You got a nice fight coming up between Brandon Moreno and Loner Kevin, but unfortunately, Sulma Bav is out, and I'm happy that Loner Kevin is stepping on a short notice, which is great. Fella's got 9-1-0, 5'4", 67 inches of reach, and he's very brave. Yes, he lost to Charles Johnson, but man, they are feeding him to really tough guys. Brandon Moreno, former champ, who defeated Amir Albazi and Steve Erceg, lost to Brandon Hoyvel, Tatsuro Taira, lost to Alejandro Pantoja, but defeated KKR France, Davison Figueiredo. I'm just not too happy with this matchup because I support Loner Kevin. Fella's having big balls and he's a very dedicated fighter, but man, feeding him to Brandon Moreno is inhumane, really much. I don't know why they are so cruel towards him. I have Brandon Moreno winning, but Loner Kevin needs one or two more fights for a guy like Brandon Moreno, but okay. Congrats on your big balls, man.